Hello everyone. Good day. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to do commodity receive in ELMIS. So in this module, we are going to receive an item or a commodity coming from a region, coming from the region or um, RHU that was rejected because maybe there are some mistakes or errors during the allocation. So every time they will not accept the commodity if there are mistakes, and when they want to reject it, it will go back to us uh, here in commodity receive. So after you log in on your dashboard on your portal, go directly on this part, commodity receive plan. But as you can see here on the left side of the dashboard, the inventory and warehousing, you can also see here commodity received, but there is no plan, commodity received only. So this one, this is a list of all successful uh, commodity received transactions. So these are all the lists that have been done. So you can check if it's already successful or done or released or still on draft or deleted. This one is draft. The green one is released or successfully um, entered in the account of our account here in ELMIS. So that is what it means. These logos that we have here, but we can see here in the commodity receive list. But if we want to accept something that was from the region or from those rejected items from a specific RHU, we need to go here. There's no other way, only this one. So after you click that one, you will be redirected to the commodity receive plan window. So we can see here overdue or the dates when it was received. Okay, so the yellow one is pending, meaning um, we need to proceed or receive it. But for now, we will not receive these pendings because it was not yet received physically, the items here in our warehouse. So we need to wait. We need to wait for it, and we need to make it sure first that the item is already here in our warehouse before are going to receive these pendings. So this red one, these are all rejected. So these are all from the RHUs because they rejected the commodities that we have allocated. That's why you can see here reference Davao Provincial Health Office. So going these commodities are going back to us, and this one is coming from the CHD. I'm sorry. What we mean here on these references are these are all coming from us, from the one who allocated. So of course, this rejected. We allocated this one, but since there are mistakes, that's why it was rejected. Okay. So this DHD 11 regional warehouse one, these are all commodities coming from the region. So that's the meaning of this part here, these references. And these are the commodity issue numbers. And this button here, this is reject. This is where we will reject the commodity if there is something wrong or it's not the right commodity. So we can do rejection here and make sure that to provide a reason why you will reject that shipment or this commodity. So this is the second button is where you're going to receive commodity. So for this video, I'm going to show how we can receive or release the commodity that we have received. So since the spending is not yet on our warehouse, so I'm gonna show you the rejected one. How will do receiving or releasing receiving of commodities. Okay. So I'm gonna pick this one. Let me check. Uh, okay, I'm gonna pick this since there is error or mistake on the budget number. That's why they rejected this one. So the process that I'm going to do here on the reject type is also the same with uh, the pending that we have earlier. The pendings that uh, the pendings that we have here is also the same transaction that we are going to do here on the rejected. Okay, so I hope you will be guided and I hope you will not be confused. It's are just the same. Okay, the process and the transaction. So now, what you're gonna do after you are here already, don't forget to check the specific product or commodity or item so that it will be released. Then click drop after you check the checkbox. Then click yes. So it was already dropped, and this time we can check if there are things that we need to edit or to put. But since these are all correct, we just need to release it right away. So same thing, we just need to use the Nadra, the new add draft, then release. So is it okay to attach to proceed with attaching the signed copy? Uh, if we have if you have the copy of PTR, it's good if we can attach it, but it's fine also if we don't attach it. It's fine. We can still proceed. Okay. So especially if this is already rejected, we can still proceed though. All right. So that's it. We have already released this commodity, and this quantity is already in our system, in our account already. So that's it. That is how we do and transact the commodity receive, whether it's pending commodity coming from the region or rejected commodity from the RHUs. Thank you.